Choosing the right windows for your home is a crucial decision that impacts aesthetics, energy efficiency, and functionality. For homeowners in Kendall, casement windows are an excellent option that combines sleek design, practicality, and durability. These outward-opening windows, attached by side hinges, offer numerous benefits that make them a valuable addition to any property. Whether you're upgrading your home or building new, here are the top benefits of installing casement windows in Kendall properties. Enhanced ventilation. One of the standout features of casement windows is their ability to provide superior ventilation. When opened, the window sash acts like a sail, capturing breezes and directing fresh air into your home. Why it matters for Kendall homes. Kendall's warm, humid climate makes proper airflow essential for maintaining indoor comfort. Casement windows are perfect for naturally cooling your home, reducing reliance on air conditioning and lowering energy costs. Their wide opening allows maximum airflow, making them an ideal choice for kitchens, bathrooms, and living areas. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for Kendall homeowners, where high temperatures can lead to increased cooling costs. Casement windows are designed to create an airtight seal when closed, preventing air leaks and enhancing insulation. Energy-saving features. Compression seals provide a tighter seal compared to other window types, reducing heat transfer. Double or triple glazing improves insulation and helps maintain a stable indoor temperature. Low E glass reflects heat and UV rays, keeping your home cooler during Kendall's hot months. With these features, casement windows contribute to lower energy bills and a more sustainable home. Maximizing natural light. Casement windows are often designed with large, unobstructed glass panes that allow an abundance of natural light to flood your interiors. Benefits for Kendall homes. Bright, sunlit spaces create a welcoming and cheerful atmosphere. The added light reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, saving energy and enhancing your home's ambiance. By framing the beauty of Kendall's outdoor landscapes, casement windows seamlessly blend functionality with aesthetic appeal. Improved security. Security is a key concern for any homeowner, and casement windows offer enhanced protection compared to many other window styles. Their unique design makes them harder to tamper with from the outside. Security features. Hook-style locks, embedded in the frame, making them inaccessible from the exterior. Reinforced frames provide additional strength against forced entry. Impact-resistant glass offers protection against break-ins and severe weather, a valuable feature in storm-prone Kendall. These features make casement windows a reliable choice for boosting home security. Versatility in design. Casement windows are highly versatile and can be customized to suit a wide range of architectural styles, from traditional to modern. Customization options. Choose from materials like vinyl, aluminum, wood, or fiberglass to match your home's design. Select finishes and colors that complement your property's exterior. Add decorative grills or frosted glass for a personalized touch. This adaptability ensures that casement windows enhance your home's aesthetic, whether it's a Mediterranean villa or a sleek, contemporary residence. Easy operation. Casement windows are designed with ease of use in mind, featuring crank handles or lever mechanisms that make opening and closing effortless. Why it's convenient. Ideal for hard-to-reach places, such as above counters or furniture. Smooth operation makes them accessible for homeowners of all ages. Their user-friendly design adds convenience to daily life while maintaining their stylish appearance. Exceptional durability. Kendall's climate, with its humidity, rain, and occasional storms, requires windows that can withstand the elements. Casement windows are built to last, offering durability and resistance to weather-related wear and tear. Durable features. Weatherproof seals. Protect against moisture infiltration, preventing rot or mold. Corrosion-resistant materials. Vinyl and aluminum frames resist warping and rust, even in humid conditions. Impact resistance. Protects against debris during storms, meeting Florida's stringent building codes. These features ensure your windows remain functional and visually appealing for years to come. Increased property value. Installing casement windows is an investment that can increase the value of your Kendall property. Their combination of energy efficiency, security, and modern design appeals to potential buyers. Value-boosting benefits. Energy-efficient windows are a key selling point for eco-conscious buyers. The sleek, stylish appearance of casement windows enhances curb appeal. Durable, low-maintenance windows add long-term value to your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enhance your living space, casement windows are a worthwhile upgrade. Easy maintenance. Casement windows are designed for low maintenance, making them a practical choice for busy homeowners. Maintenance tips. Clean the glass and frames regularly with mild soap and water. Lubricate hinges and cranks annually to ensure smooth operation. Inspect seals and weather stripping periodically to maintain energy efficiency. With proper care, casement windows can remain in excellent condition for decades. Final thought. Casement windows are a versatile, energy-efficient, and stylish choice for Kendall properties. Their ability to provide superior ventilation, maximize natural light, and enhance security makes them a standout option for homeowners looking to improve both functionality and aesthetics. By partnering with a trusted window installation professional in Kendall, you can customize casement windows to suit your home's style and enjoy the lasting benefits they bring. Whether you're upgrading or building new, casement windows are a smart investment that elevates the comfort, beauty, and value of your property.